Dare to dream of luscious locks with HairLuminance. Let its mysterious allure captivate you as you uncover the secrets of hair growth hidden within its pages. Let HairLuminance be your guide on the journey towards hair rejuvenation and embrace a future filled with confidence and beauty. With HairLuminance as your companion, your hair will become a testament to your courage and determination. Let HairLuminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Believe in the magic of HairLuminance, and let your hair become a symbol of your inner strength. Experience the transformation firsthand and let HairLuminance unlock the potential within your hair. With each revelation, feel yourself drawing closer to the hair of your dreams, and let HairLuminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey. Embrace the power of your own potential and let your hair become a symbol of strength and resilience. Experience the transformation firsthand and let your hair become a testament to the magic within HairLuminance.